Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am clearly surrounded by a bunch of toys. This is the mess that I'm usually left with after Colton has torn apart all his toys. So Colton has been sick for the last week and a half, I think maybe 10 days, and he is pretty much better now. So I want to take the time to kind of sanitize and get rid of all of the nasty bug gross stuff on his toys and all his seats and stuff. So I thought I would show you guys how I'm doing that and what I'm using. So today I'm using the Method anti-bac in the bamboo scent. I just finally found this. I know I've told you guys before that I live in Canada and I have a little bit of a hard time finding some of the Method stuff, so I finally found the anti-bac. And then I'm using just a few microfiber cloths just so I can switch them out, so I'm not using the same one the whole time cleaning everything. So if you guys want to see how I clean after my little guy is sick, keep on watching. So that's it, everyone. I've wiped down all his toys. He has just a few toys up in his room, but he's sleeping right now, so I'll just wipe those down when he wakes up. And then as for any of his like soft toys, like stuffed animals, and then all of his blankets and stuff, I'm actually just going to toss all of those into the washing machine and give them a good wash. I obviously change his sheets every few days, especially when he's sick. I change them almost every day just to make sure he wasn't getting sickness all over them. And I'll probably wipe down his crib as well, just because I know like he probably at night and stuff is touching it, and he's definitely like put his mouth on it and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell so that you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, but this week I'm uploading every day just to give you guys some extra content. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know your guys' top tips for cleaning up after someone in your house is sick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!